Hi guys, it's Jamilla here and I hope you're having a wonderful day today. So today's video is all about IKEA home decor and furniture that I'm loving right now. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I post a new video. If you know IKEA, if you love it, it is really a huge workout to go to IKEA, but I love it and I hope you guys enjoy this list, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I have to recommend to everybody is IKEA pillow inserts and pillow covers, and I absolutely love them, especially for the price. So here is one of their pillows slash pillow inserts, and if you like a good chop like this one, you're gonna need to get a feather down pillow insert. Don't get the polyester. The pillow inserts at IKEA are only $6, and that's honestly the cheapest I've ever found. Even on Amazon, I don't see those prices. And I love the variety of options they have for pillow covers. Like, they have a whole sea of different colors, and even just the neutral cream ones like this one is just perfect for the living room, the bedroom. It goes with everything. And they also have different, prints and patterns. So I also bought this one from IKEA. Really great quality, and it was only $5, you guys. Pillow covers are so much easier to store, so I highly recommend just getting some different types of pillow covers if you're like me. Okay, the next thing I'm going to talk about is IKEA's new glass vases, which are so affordable, and I will just show you right now the ones I purchased. This vase was only $1.50. The fluted type of vases and just anything fluted is really popular right now, and so I love how they offer this at IKEA for such an affordable price. And this one, I love the shape of this kind of bottle, and they're just perfect to decorate with. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing, and I'm talking about these little pots. They're just like these little basket ones from IKEA. They were about $7 or so, and IKEA sells plants now, which maybe I'm late to the game, but I had no idea they did. There's a small selection, but these pots are really cute and affordable. Okay, so the next item I'm going to be talking about is one that I recently purchased for my kitchen makeover, and that is my IKEA Jute Rug. It was only $30. Jute is my all-time favorite for a kitchen. It just brings in so much warmth. And I find that they're really easy to clean and vacuum over. They don't get stuck in the fibers at all. Just make sure if you buy a jute rug that you get one that's a really great quality, because I've purchased some in the past that really fall apart and all the threading pulls out. But this one is different. It's really great. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be talking about is IKEA's curtains, and I'm absolutely in love with them. I have these 4 panels in my living room slash dining room area. You get so much fabric. The best part is the price tag, obviously. It's $30 for a pair. One thing I really love about this material is that it doesn't wrinkle at all. So I'll be sure to link them down below because I think this is such a great deal. So the 6th thing I'm going to be bringing up is IKEA's lampshade pendants. If you watch my house tour video, you know that I have this giant one in my dining space area. The reason why I love these ones so much is that they're super light, so they're able to be hung with a command strip, and it's perfect for renters. I tried this in the past with previous pendants, and it was just way too heavy and it would just collapse. The one I purchased was $40, and then they have a smaller one which is $20, so such a great deal. Okay, so the next thing I'll be talking about is something that I actually owned for about 2 years now, and it is my dining table, which is from IKEA, and it's from their Morbi Longa collection, and unfortunately it's sold out already, but they do still have rectangular or square tables that I'll link down below. Most IKEA furniture, it's not the best quality. It's very hollow. the wood is breakable like the Malm, you know, dressers and side tables. But I will say that this dining table is a solid piece of furniture. Like, it's really durable. It's made with like an oak veneer, so it looks like wood, but it feels like wood too, and it is super heavy. I really like the legs of the table as well. It kind of just gives that Scandinavian minimal look. So I'm a huge fan of this collection. So the last and final thing I'm going to be bringing up is IKEA's picture frames. They're really a cheap option and way for you to build gallery walls or just put a bunch of frames in your house, which that can really add up. So IKEA is a great place for that. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to comment down below what your favorite item on this list was, and if you do have an IKEA favorite, let me know below because I'm really curious. I want to go check it out. There's so many options at IKEA. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!